This has probably been one of the easiest things I've done so far as being a new dad, but to baby-proof the cabinets, these work extremely well. You just use this magnet right here on the door, and it will unlock. You shut it, and it's locked. So I was given this product to review, and it's really easy to use and put together. You get these couple different pieces here. This part's going to go on the upper part of the cabinet. This one's going to go on the door. This little mechanism right here, this gets triggered or activated by the magnet. But when you move the magnet closer, it's going to bring it right down. And that's how this works right here. You just take the magnet, open it, and shut it. You also have the ability to kick this down. So that way, if you want to use it without using the magnet, you can still do that. But if you want to turn it on, just flick that down, and then it's locked. You have the option of using the 3M adhesive to go ahead and put on there, or you can go ahead and use these screws too as well. If you're renting, or if you just are doing something quick, a lot easier just to use the adhesive. The adhesive's on there, and that's not coming off, no matter how hard he tries to pull, I guess, for now. You do get 2 of these magnets, so that's great. So that way, if you lose one, you do have another, or if you just want to keep one in multiple areas of the home. They do have magnetic covers here, so that way you can go ahead and put it on this one side, keep the tab somewhere so that way you can grab it, preferably out of the kid's reach, so that way you can just pull it right off and then use it on the door. It comes with a measuring stick, and it also comes with these little blue tabs, so that way you know where everything is initially. And then as you go about and use it, it just becomes second nature. So I would definitely say take a look at this. This is a great product. I would definitely say check this out.